everyone. Welcome to part 2 of the principles of roof design. In our previous video, which is the part 1 of this, we look at the three principles of roof design which we use to design this complex roof. So in case you're having problem designing a roof, or you don't know the rules or the principles of roof design, I recommend you watch the part 1 of this video, to be able to flow in what we have done so far. So that is a point I want to point out, which I didn't mention in the last video. It just came to my mind, and I think I had that issue somehow some times ago. So I decided to just bring it up here in case of those who are confused as well. So I have this from the first principle, angled line is straight line. The question I want to ask is, should this first line should it be where this straight line should make an intersection, or should it be the second line? Where should this straight line make an intersection? So the what I want to tell you is this: you should define your movement. You should define your movement. This is where I'm starting from. This is my starting point. So everything I'm doing should be going in accordance from my movement. That is, since I'm starting from here, I'll be looking at which two lines meet before the other one. Which first two lines will meet before the other one if I'm coming from here. So as I'm coming from this place now, this one first intercepts this line before this one intercepts this, because my movement is from this point. So this is what you should be taking note of, your movement. So don't make the mistake of try to you leave this one, then come here to break these 2 points and try to make an angled line in the opposite direction. So if I'm coming from here down to this place, it is a different movement. So that means I'm coming from here. So that means this one will intercept this line before this one intercept this, because I am coming from this aspect. So your movement matters so that you won't mix it up, so you won't be confused which one should intercept first. So as I'm moving from here, the best place to intercept is the first one. This one first intercept this line before this one. So I'm going to make use of this, not this one. So since I've made use of this one, then the second rules then applies. You copy this, then move it, so, and this is how you should do your roofing. So I don't know if you get the question. In case of any comment or any question, in case of any difficulty, please drop in the comment section. Thank you. So, and I've tried to create a rich cap. You know what a rich cap is. If you don't know, you can possibly go out and browse about it. So I'll be setting this by 100 mm. So I'll try to offset that. So I'll offset this. Sorry, just coming just a moment. So I was setting 100 mm. So we are setting this ones to create a ridge cap. To create a ridge cap. Sorry, should have entered the value. So we create a ridge cap. Ridge cap. After the offset, then we have this. This is the ridge caps. This line here. So this is the this is our roof actually. So you can make this a little bit beautiful by hatching them, hatching with different colors, different pattern and all that. So when you hatch, it should be more beautiful. So that is all for today. Thank you for your time, and make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.